Peace, everyone. How you doing? How you doing? Welcome to the show. The title of today's show is Tupac Murder Trial. Make me look back at my own Slapp case, which is a strategic lawsuit against public participation. Now, I was participating in the Africa Bambaataa conversation when they brought the Africa Bambaataa conversation to the conscious community and asked people in the conscious community to help with the situation of Bambaataa out here abusing young boys. Now, I interviewed her son, Ron, and Khalil Lamani. I spoke to numerous people about it, numerous of platforms and everything. None of these people ever got done like me because I went to go get the real information and not just the lies. I'm a real big advocate of being precise with your words and what you say. I'm the first one to deal with the fact that they were truly not of age to consent with sex with Africa Bambaataa, though a lot of people tried to change that and make that a statement at one time because they like to say Ron was considering this, that, and everything and stuff. I don't know what was going on, people, but this Tupac murder case, it's crazy that it's doing something to me. I don't even know what it's doing. I want to talk about it, but it's bad news to me. It ain't good news to me. And it's doing something to me mentally. I didn't even know that this shit was possible. I guess it's my PTSD kicking in. I started watching it and listening and paying attention to it, and my Slapp case jumped back up. I was like, that woman messed up. She had me because she had the judge in her back pocket. That's how they got me in the court with her filing her paperwork wrong, and they got me in the court. They hit me with the I'm on Superior Court and everything and got me locked in. But when I was going to court, she doubled down and tried to take my life and try to get me on some real criminal stuff, which put a lawyer in the picture. She was her own lawyer. She put a lawyer in the picture, and I showed the lawyer that she was lying about me being on the internet with guns and this and that and everything, and she threw the case out. The lawyer did, which made her throw her case out because she was civil, but she wasn't criminal with it. If she'd have got me locked up in Cook County, she'd have got the Black Panthers, Nation of Islam, or O-Block people in Chicago to take my life, I believe. You would have been sitting up looking at pictures of my dead body and what they did, or the autopsy or whatever, talking about, because I got some tattoos on me. That's his tattoo. That's a fake tat. And everything else, like they sitting around talking about Tupac, showing his autopsy pictures and stuff like, look, that tattoo don't look like that tattoo and everything. Man, it's doing something to me, y'all. I'm telling y'all. But this might be a government op too, just to do something to my PTSD. Because, shit, I feel like I'm going crazy. They was just attacking him on the Facebook channel. Somebody up in New Jersey attacked my Facebook channel. And they locked me out of it. So you know what that did? If you didn't know, I'll tell you what it did. It cut off my communication with my girl. I couldn't communicate with my girl. So it cut me off to the only person I communicate to in the world. That effed me up. A lot of little stuff. I don't even know. I'm stressing over him, people. So, you know, after 5 or 6 years of being stalked and everything, it do something to you. It give you another mindset. It causes you to look at the world different. So, maybe I'm hitting the climax of all the stalking and shit. I don't know. But it ain't killed me, and whatever don't kill me only make me stronger. So I'm going to have fun. With that said, peace. Leave comments, hating comments up under the video if you got any. Peace. I'm out.